Model, 1974 Volkswagen Transporter T2 Camper Project MOT and tax exempt bargain. Body, white, black, camper. Mileage, 366,293. Engine, 1584 cc. Transmission, 4-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. Will require a carb rebuild, which is a nice assy job. Condition summary, bodywork is in need of some TLC, as is the interior. The rear of the T2 has been converted into a pop-top camper with a bed sink and many other features. With the right idea and love, this camper would be a great home away from home and has loads of potential. Features: 3 keys, bed, sink, hob. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.